Opening visuals, sweeping shots of Somali landscapes, cities, and people. Have you ever wondered who the Somali people are? Today on True 8 TV, at ATRU-I3F, we're going on a journey through the rich history, vibrant culture, and incredible identity of the Somali nation, a story full of pride, resilience, and tradition. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our amazing stories. Visuals, ancient Somali trade routes, ports like Zaila and Mogadishu, old maps. Somalis have a long and fascinating history as traders and seafarers. For centuries, they connected Africa with the Middle East and Asia, exchanging goods, ideas, and culture. Cities like Mogadishu and Zaila were once thriving centers of trade, learning, and innovation. If you love learning about cultures and history, subscribe now to True 8 TV at ATRU-I3F. Visuals, Somali culture, traditional dress, dance, music, poetry gatherings. Somali culture is full of life. Traditional clothing, music, and dance show the deep appreciation Somalis have for community and art. Poetry is central. Somalis are known as a nation of poets. Oral poetry has shaped social and political life for centuries. And hey, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button so you can join us on more journeys like this. Visuals, Somali, family life, clan gatherings, community events. Family and clan networks are at the heart of Somali society. They maintain social structure, identity, and support systems. Even in modern times, respect, hospitality, and honor remain core values. Join the True 8 TV at ATRU-I3F family by subscribing. It's free and you'll be part of our journey. Visuals, Somali cuisine, traditional dishes being prepared and served. Food tells another story about Somali identity. From fragrant rice dishes like bari siskukari stew, hearty stews, and freshly baked bread. Somali cuisine reflects centuries of trade and cultural exchange. If you enjoy discovering new cultures through food, culture, and stories, hit subscribe to True 8 TV at ATRU-I3F. Visuals, Somali diaspora, communities in the US, UK, Canada, Scandinavia. Today, millions of Somalis live outside the Horn of Africa. Despite being far from home, Somali communities keep their language, traditions, and sense of identity alive. They celebrate their heritage wherever they are. Subscribe now to True 8 TV at ATRU-I3F to follow stories from Somali communities around the world. Visuals, Somali contributions, scholars, poets, athletes, musicians, entrepreneurs. Somalis have made incredible contributions globally, from scholars and poets to athletes, musicians, and entrepreneurs. Their resilience and creativity inspire countless people. Remember, subscribing to True 8 TV at ATRU-I3F helps you discover even more inspiring stories. Visuals, modern Somalia cities, technology, schools, rebuilding efforts. Modern Somalia is rising again after decades of challenges, focusing on education, technology, and economic growth. The Somali people remain proud of their heritage while embracing the future. Don't miss any of these stories. Hit subscribe now on True 8 TV at TrueI3F. Visuals, Somali landscapes, flag waving, smiling children, cultural festivals. So, who is Somali? Somalis are proud, resilient, and creative people with a rich history, vibrant culture, and strong community ties. They are not just a people of the Horn of Africa, they are global citizens, poets, traders, and storytellers. Join us. Subscribe to True 8 TV at ATRU-I3F and explore more amazing cultures with us. Closing visuals. Fade out with Somali flag, smiling faces, and the text. Subscribe now to True 8 TV at ATRU-I3F and join our journey exploring the world's incredible cultures.